Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a fuel pump on a Ford Mustang. First, safety is paramount. Always work in a well-ventilated space, ideally outdoors, and have a fire extinguisher nearby. Before touching anything, disconnect your car's negative battery cable. Next, you must depressurize the fuel system to avoid hazardous fuel spray. Finally, ensure your fuel tank contains less than 1/4 of its capacity for easier and safer handling. Now, let's get to the pump. Begin by safely lifting your Mustang onto 4 sturdy jack stands. Next, remove the rear seat cushion to reveal the fuel pump access panel. You will then disconnect the electrical connector and fuel lines using specific disconnect tools. If your model requires it, carefully lower the fuel tank to gain full access to the pump assembly, ensuring it is supported throughout the process. With access gained, it's time to remove the old pump. First, thoroughly clean the area around the fuel pump to prevent any dirt from entering the tank. Next, use a flathead screwdriver and a hammer to gently tap the large lock ring counterclockwise until it loosens. Once the ring is free, carefully lift the entire fuel pump module assembly straight out of the tank. Be prepared with a drain pan to catch any remaining fuel. Finally, let's install your new fuel pump. Carefully lower the new fuel pump module into the tank, ensuring it aligns correctly. Place a new O-ring and hand-tighten the lock ring clockwise until snug. Then, use your tool to tap it an additional 1/8 to 1/4 turn, being careful not to over-tighten. Reconnect all fuel lines until they click and firmly attach the electrical connectors. Reconnect your battery, cycle the ignition a few times to prime the pump, and check for any leaks before starting the engine.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.